turning this dirt means that we're really going to do this project.
Florence Darlington Technical College's new automotive and heating and air conditioning facility is about to be built. Both programs have grown so much, there's a waiting list for students, and the industries are waiting too.
Every day I hear from our dealers across the PD, they cannot find enough technicians. Same thing for HVAC. If you talk to anybody that's had their HVAC go out this summer, they've had to stand in line because there's just not enough qualified technicians.
Dilliard says 98% of students in the programs land jobs when they graduate.
And you can get a good job and a secure job.
Florence County Senator Hugh Leatherman says the school's automotive program will also mean new jobs.
We'll keep plugging away as we go overseas to the foreign automotive companies, see if we can get them settled here.
And stick around.
Those are the type of jobs that are going to always be around. You know, they're not leaving the community, they're not leaving the area. These are jobs that will always be around.
It's an investment everyone is hoping pays off. In Florence, Tanya Brown, ABC 15 News.